I'm sure all of you might have heard about the atom in your school days. It is in fact quite similar to the solar system. Just like the planets move around the sun and spin on their axis, in the atom, electrons move around the nucleus. Though this is not the bad picture of the atom, it is not accurate. Especially electrons, they never spin on their axis. But hold on. Physicists do say that electrons have spin. So what do they mean? Well, spin perhaps is one of the most terribly misleading terms in physics. You see, electrons are like these tiny little magnets similar to those that you stick on your refrigerator. It is this magnetic property that is referred to as spin in case of electrons. Confused yet? Don't worry, it gets weirder. So, electrons don't really spin, but let's rotate them on our own forcefully to see what happens, okay? Let's start with something very simple. Look at this cup, for instance. If I rotate it all the way around in the same direction to a full 360-degree turn, it looks the same as it did before. Agree? Most of the things that are around us behaves in the same way. Let's try to do the same with my belt. So I have a belt whose one end I will fix in my book. Keep an eye on it. Now let us twist one of the ends of my belt to one full turn. Keep an eye on it. This is one full turn, right? The belt is twisted. The question is, can I untwist it back? And you would say, of course, just undo the twist. But this is not what I did with the cup. I rotated it in one direction till the point it comes back to its original position. Can I do the same here? Of course, I can move this free end of the book around the book and do whatnot, because it is not the same as undoing. But you see, it is impossible to bring it back to its original untwisted form. But what if I do 2 full rotations instead of 1? Let's try. So 1 full turn and 2 full turns. Ready? Now watch. Surprise! What if I tell you electrons in the same way also need 2 full rotations instead of 1 to come back to their original position? So while electrons spin and come back to their original position with only 1 turn, electrons play by their own rules. This Dirac bell trick is just one of the many weird wonders of the quantum world. So the next time you're trying to tie your belt in the morning and it seems like it's taking forever, just remember, it could be worse. You could be an electron.
Yeah.
Thank you.